Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Ethereum, ETHUSD, a cryptocurrency that's been making headlines lately. We'll be looking at both the news and the chart data and trying to find correlations between the two. First, let's look at the news for Ethereum on September 2nd, 2024. Google search results highlight several key events. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin transferred a large amount of ETH to exchanges, sparking speculation about potential ETH sales. However, Buterin denied these claims, stating the transfers were for supporting projects within the Ethereum ecosystem and broader charity. Ethereum Foundation also transferred a significant amount of ETH to exchanges in August. These large ETH transfers could have short-term market impacts as investors interpret them as selling pressure. The Ethereum Foundation's previous sales in 2021 and 2020 were associated with market corrections and rallies, respectively. Additionally, the recent ETH transfers coincide with a potential Fed interest rate cut and slowing outflows from spot Ethereum ETFs. The crypto market analysts are anticipating a strong recovery for cryptocurrencies, led by Bitcoin, as central banks prepare to ease monetary policy. These anticipated rate cuts are expected to inject fresh liquidity into financial markets, boosting risk assets like equities and crypto. The price of Bitcoin has seen a decline of nearly 6% this week and about 9% since the start of August. Ethereum and Solana have seen even greater percentage dips. The SEC's efforts to regulate crypto have resulted in a surge in Wells notices being sent out. OpenSea, a popular NFT marketplace, received a Wells notice on Wednesday, indicating that the SEC might sue the company over potential securities violations. Cryptocurrency losses due to hacks and fraud significantly decreased in August. Spot Ethereum ETFs in the U.S. have shown resilience amidst challenges faced by Bitcoin spot ETFs. Ethereum funds recorded a total net inflow of $5.8 million yesterday, their first positive day after 9 consecutive days of outflows. This uptick comes at a time when Bitcoin spot ETFs are experiencing significant outflows. Now, let's take a look at the ETHUSD chart and see what the data tells us. We're going to start with the one-day chart, showing all the candles. Overall, ETHUSD has been in a strong uptrend over the past year. The price has broken out from several resistance levels and is currently testing new highs. However, if we look at the daily chart since the beginning of August, we can see that ETHUSD has been consolidating. The price has been trading within a range between $2,000 and $3,000. This consolidation could be a sign that the bulls are taking a breather before continuing their ascent. On the daily chart, we can identify several key price levels. The recent high of around $3,000 is a key resistance level. If ETHUSD can break above this level, it could signal that the uptrend is continuing. On the other hand, if ETHUSD breaks below the support level of $2,000, it could signal that the uptrend is losing momentum. We'll be closely watching these price levels to see how the price action develops. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can get a more detailed view of the price action. Focusing on the candles since August 1st, we can see that ETHUSD has been trading within a smaller range, consolidating. The price has been testing resistance at $2,700 and support at $2,500. The consolidation pattern suggests indecision in the market, with both bulls and bears vying for control. This 1-hour chart shows a lot of volatility, with price swings happening quickly. The consolidation period has been characterized by whipsaws, with sudden reversals and sharp movements. This volatility presents opportunities for both scalping and swing trading, but also requires careful risk management. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart to further explore the price action. Looking at the candles since August 1st, we can see that ETHUSD has been extremely volatile on this time frame. This volatility is likely due to the consolidation pattern, where traders are trying to find a new direction for the price. The 15-minute chart shows numerous reversals, with the price quickly changing direction. This rapid movement can be challenging to trade, as it requires lightning-fast reactions and precise entries and exits. However, these quick swings also create opportunities for scalpers, who can profit from small price movements. We'll be watching closely for any signs of a breakout or breakdown on the 15-minute chart, as this could indicate a new trend for the price. The current price of ETHUSD is $2,468.05. The trading volume is 9,611,019,756. These figures suggest that there is a high level of interest in ETHUSD, and the market is likely to be quite active in the coming days. We're going to look for any news events or on-chain data that might correlate with the price action on this time frame. Let's go back to the daily chart. Remember, ETHUSD has been consolidating within a range between $2,000 and $3,000 since the beginning of August. The recent news about Vitalik Buterin's ETH transfers and the potential Fed interest rate cut could have a significant impact on the price action. A rate cut would likely be positive for the crypto market, including ETHUSD. This could lead to a breakout above the resistance level of $3,000 and a continuation of the uptrend. However, if the Fed does not cut rates or if the SEC cracks down on the crypto industry, we could see a breakdown below the support level of $2,000. This would signal a loss of momentum for the bulls and a potential shift to a downtrend. Looking ahead, there are a few things to watch for in the ETHUSD chart. First, we'll be monitoring the price action around the key price levels of $2,000 and $3,000 on the daily chart. A breakout above $3,000 would be bullish and suggest that the uptrend is continuing. On the other hand, a breakdown below $2,000 would be bearish and suggest that the uptrend is losing momentum. Second, we'll be watching for any changes in the trading volume. Increased volume could indicate a breakout or breakdown is imminent. Third, we'll be monitoring any news events or on-chain data that might correlate with the price action. For example, any announcements about Ethereum 2.0 or the development of new DeFi applications could have a significant impact on the price. Overall, ETHUSD is currently in a consolidation pattern. The market is likely to be quite volatile in the coming days as traders try to find a new direction for the price. However, the potential for a breakout above $3,000 is high, especially if the Fed cuts interest rates. We'll be watching the ETHUSD charts closely to see how the price action develops and to identify any potential trading opportunities. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.